Assalamualaikum and very good morning to our lecturer and all my beloved friends. Today, our group would like to complete our assignment, which is assignment 1. So, this assignment required us to produce an interactive teaching video on solving the questions and finding the answers for each question. Next, as everyone already knows that this assignment is an assignment for the subject Calculus 2 and our class group is C. This is Dr. Fauzi bin Muhammad Yusuf. He is our lecturer for the subject Calculus 2. The table shows that our group members' full name, metric number, code. Let me introduce our group member. The first member of our group is Muhammad Muizzuddin bin Muhammad Aini. The second member of our group is me, Muhammad Fitri bin Hussein. The third member of our group is Wan Muhammad Sazwan bin Wan Muhammad Hanif. And the last member of our group is Harid Haikal bin Azwan Hamidi. So let's continue to the first question and I will pass to Sazwan.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Okay, then I will start with question 1A. From the parametric equation, we need to find the point on the curve where the tangent is horizontal or vertical. Then we differentiate x and we get dx dt equal to x cos 2t. And then we differentiate y and then we get dy over dt equal to negative 6 sine 3t. We use the value of dy dt and dx dt to find dy dx, which is negative 3 sine 3t over 4 cos 2t. And then we need to find the horizontal points by using dy dt equal to 0. Okay, dy dt is equal to negative 3 sine 3t, so equal to 0. After the calculation, we get 4 values of angle for 3t, which is 0, pi, 2 pi, and 3 pi. After that, we divide both sides by 3 and we get t equal to 0, pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, and pi. Lastly, I only choose pi over 3 and 2 pi over 3 as the value of t. Okay, I have a question for Muhammad Fitri. Why I only choose these two angles?
Because 0 and pi are not included in the rest of t.
Okay, good job. Very good. Correct answer. Because 0 and pi are not included in the range of t. Okay, next.
After that, we substitute the value of t in the parametric equation of x and y.
After the calculation, after we substitute the value of pi over 3 into the x and y, after the calculation, we get x equal to 2 sec 3 and y we get negative 2. And then the point of xy is 2 sec 3 negative 2. Then we proceed to the next t value, which is 2 pi over 3. And then we substitute 2 pi over 3 in the equation of x and y. After the calculation, we get x equal to negative 2 sec 3, y equal to 2. So the point of xy is negative 2 sec 3, 2. Therefore, the horizontal point are 2 sec 3, negative 2, and negative 2 sec 3, 2. And then we proceed to find the vertical points, which is by using dx over dt equal to 0. For cos 2t equal to 0, after the calculation, we get two values of angle for 2t, which is pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. After we divide both sides with 2, we get t equal to 4. We get t equal to pi over 4 and 3 pi over 4. And then we substitute the value of t pi over 4 in the x and y equation. After the calculation, we get x equal to 4 and y equal to negative sec 2. So the point xy is 4 negative sec 2. Okay, we use the second value of t, which is 3 pi over 4. After substitute 3 pi over 4 in the x and y equation, after the calculation, we get x equal to negative 4 and y equal to 6. So the point of xy equal to negative 4 sec 2. Therefore, the vertical points are 4 negative sec 2 and negative 4 sec 2. Okay, that's all for from question A. Anyone have a question?
No.
No, I am understand.
Okay, next 1b. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve in the second quadrant when y equal to 0. Then,
If y equal to 0, then we need to use y equal to 2 cos 3t is equal to 0 because y equal to 0.
and then after the calculation, we get only 3 angle for 3t, which is pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and 5 pi over 2. After that, we divide both sides with 3, and we get t equal to pi over 6, pi over 2, and 5 pi over 6. And then lastly, I only choose 5 pi over 6. Anyone have a question about this?
Yes, I have question. Why you choose only 5 pi over 6?
Okay, because the question asks us to find the tangent in the second quadrant, so only 5 pi over 6 in the second quadrant. So the value of t is 5 pi over 6.
Thank you.
Okay, next. We need to find the value of x, which is by using x equal to 4 sine 2t and substitute the value of t with 5 pi over 6. After the calculation, we get the value of x is negative 2 sec 3. And then we need to find the gradient of the tangent equation by using dy dx. By using dy dx, we substitute the t 5 pi over 6 into the dy dx.
After the calculation, we get the gradient is negative 3 over 2.
And then last but not least, by using y equal to mx plus c, we need to find the equation of the tangent to the curve in the second quadrant when y equal to 0. Then first, y equal to mx plus c, the formula, and then we substitute the value of y, m, and x to find the value of c. After the calculation, we get c equal to negative 3 sec 3. And then we get the tangent equation, which is negative 3 over 2x minus 3 sec 3. Therefore, the equation of the tangent to the curve in the second quadrant when y equal to 0 is y equal to negative 3 over 2x minus 3 sec 3. That's all from me. I will proceed to the next question. I will pass to Fitri.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I will continue to represent the question 1C. The question 1C to find the second derivative when t equal to pi over 3. First, we must find the value dy dt and we get answer negative 6 sine 3t. Next, we must find dx dt and we get answer 8 cos 2t. From the value dy dt and dx dt, we can get the value of dy dx. dy over dx equal to dy over dt times dt over dx. And we get answer negative 3 sin 3t over 4 cos 2t. After we get the value of dy over dx, we can get the value of the second derivative, where we must differentiate the first derivative times dt over dx. Negative 3 sin 3t over 4 cos 2t times 1 over 8 cos 2t. Harid, can you explain to me how to differentiate the first derivative?
Using the quotient rule.
Yes, good job. We using the question rule where negative 3 sin 3t is u, 4 cos 2t is v. So we calculate the operation. So we get negative 36 cos 3t cos 2t minus 24 sin 3t sin 2t over 16 cos square 2t times 1 over 8 cos 2t. We simplify and factorize. We get the answer 3 negative 3 cos 3t cos 2t minus 2 sin 3t sin 2t over 32 cos cube 2t. After we get the value of the second derivative, we put we put t equal to pi over 3 into the second derivative. And we get answer equal to negative 9 over 2 over over 9 over negative 4, and we get answer 9 over 8. The value of the second derivative where t equal to pi over 3 is 9 over 8. So, thank you from me. I pass to Muiz to the next question.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Now we go to question 2, 2A. So for 2A, find the gradient of tangent. For the gradient of tangent, we know that the value of r is 2 plus cos 2 theta and the value of theta is pi over 4. So if differentiate the value of r, we can get negative 2 sine 2 theta. Gradient is m, so m equal dy dx. So we use this formula to find the dy dx. Okay. I want to ask question for Shazwan. Why we use this question?
Because this formula only used for slope of tangent to polar curve.
Yes, excellent. Okay. Now we put the value of the r data and the value of r to this equation. We get this, and after that we put the value of theta pi over 4 to this equation. We can get this. Okay. After we simplify it, we can get 0 over negative 2 sec 2, and the value of dy dx equal to 0. So the gradient of tangent, that's m, equal to 0 because dy dx equal to m. Okay. Now to interpret that, since dy dx is 0, uh, r equal to plus cos 2 theta. Now we put the value of theta to the r, we can get r equal to 2. Substitute the value of r and theta into the compensation formula to find x and y. So s is r cos theta and y is r sin theta. We put the value of theta, we can get s equal sec 2 and y is sec 2. Therefore, point of x and y is sec 2 and sec 2. So after that we must find the value of c. So y and x plus c. We put the value of y and x into this formula, we can get c sec 2. To interpret that, we must equation of tangent line where c sec 2 and m equal to 0. To this formula, we can get y sec 2. In conclusion, the equation of tangent line where pi theta over theta equal pi over 4 for r equal to plus cos 2 theta is y sec 2. Thank you.
I will now present question 2b. First, we show that the curve R is symmetry about y-axis. We replace theta in R equation with pi minus theta. We get R equal 2 plus cos 2 pi minus 2 theta. Then using the angle difference identity where A is 2 pi and B is 2 theta, we get cos 2 pi minus 2 theta equal cos 2 pi cos 2 theta plus sin 2 pi sin 2 theta. Then using the identity where x is pi, we get cos 2 pi equal negative 1 plus 2 cos square pi. Then using the identity cos pi equal negative 1, we get negative 1 plus 2 cos square pi equal 1. Hence, cos 2 pi cos 2 theta equal cos 2 theta. Then we solve for sin. Using the identity where x is pi, we get sin 2 pi equal 2 cos pi sin pi. Then using the identity, we know that sin pi equals 0. So 2 cos pi sin pi equals 0. Hence, since sin 2 pi sin 2 theta equals 0. Back to the equation, we get that r equal 2 plus cos 2 theta. So in conclusion, the curve R is symmetric about the y-axis. Got any questions?
No, we all understand.
Okay, proceed. Next, we need to construct a table for the values of r and theta. We use all 17 angles because this is how to graph a polar equation. Then finally, we plot the graph of the curve r on the graph paper. Proceed to the next question. I pass back to Muiz.
Okay, hi everyone. Now we go to 2C. From the equation of 2C is find the exact area of the region. So the formula to find area is integrate 1 over 2 r square d theta from 0 to pi over 2. Now we bring out 1 over 2 in front and we put the value of r. We can get 1 over 2 integrate 4 plus 4 cos 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta d theta from 0 to pi over 2. Okay, now from cos 2 cos square 2 theta, we can get 1 plus cos 4 theta plus 2 from this equation.
Hello,
Hello?
I have a question.
Yes?
Why we use this identity?
Okay. Because we use half angle to get this equation. Okay?
Oh, okay, thank you.
Okay. Now, for this, we bring out 1 over 2 and from in this to in front, we can get this equation. And now, we must integrate it. So, after integrate it, we can get 1 over 2 in bracket 9 over 2 theta plus sine 4 theta over 8 plus 4 sine 2 theta over 2 from 0 to pi over 2. So, we put a value of theta, we can get 1 over 2 in bracket 9 pi over 4. So, the area of the region, we can get 9 pi over 8 unit square. Thank you.